Understanding, put one's hands on, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a common but sometimes confusing phrase, put one's hands on. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English skills, understanding these phrases can make a big difference in how you communicate. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets behind this expression. First off, let's break down the literal meaning of put one's hands on. This phrase, in the most direct sense, involves the physical action of placing your hands onto something or someone. It's straightforward and involves physical touch or contact. For example, he put his hands on the table. Here, it's all about the physical action of hand placement. However, English loves to play with meanings, and this phrase is no exception. Put one's hands on can also have a figurative twist, where it no longer just refers to physical touch. It often means to find or obtain something. For instance, I finally managed to put my hands on that book I've been searching for. In this context, it's about acquiring something that was difficult to find. It's important to note that put one's hands on can sometimes carry a negative connotation, especially when referring to unwelcome or harmful physical contact. In such cases, it's crucial to understand the context to avoid misunderstandings. For example, he was warned not to put his hands on anyone again. Here, it implies inappropriate or aggressive behavior. To help you fully grasp this phrase, let's look at some examples of how it can be used in various contexts. 1. Literal physical contact. She put her hands on her hips and waited impatiently. 2. Figurative acquisition. After weeks of looking, I finally put my hands on some rare stamps for my collection. 3. Negative context. The policy clearly states that employees should not put their hands on each other in anger. Understanding the phrase, put one's hands on, is a great step towards becoming more fluent and comfortable with the English language. Remember, context is key when deciphering the meaning behind phrases like this. We hope this video has shed some light on this versatile phrase. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be able to put your hands on the nuances of English with ease. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.